When we studied linear equations in one variable, हमने देखा क्या होता है एक वेरिएबल और क्या होता है एक कांस्टेंट. Just a quick recap, a variable is an entity which is not fixed. It varies and can take different values. जबकि एक कांस्टेंट एक फिक्स्ड क्वांटिटी होता है. For example, the speed with which I travel on the road is a variable quantity. It can change, it can increase or decrease. Whereas the speed limit that we see on the signboards, it's a fixed quantity. Now, let's begin with the very basics of the chapter, algebraic expressions and identities. Now, what is an algebraic expression? Here I have 4 boxes. I don't know the contents of the box, but let's find out. In the first box, we have x, y, z, alpha, beta, gamma, etc. So this box is full of variables. Now variable can be alphabet from any language, say English, Greek, Latin, etc. Let's look inside the second box. In the second box, I can see -1, 0, 1/2, +3, etc. So this is a box full of constants. Constants are basically numbers. Let's look inside the third box. Here I can see plus, minus, multiply, divide, etc. So this is a box of mathematical operators. Finally, let's look inside the fourth box. Here I can see 0, 1, 2, 5. I cannot see any negative or fractional terms. So this must be the box of exponents. So exponents are non-negative integers. In a polynomial, exponents cannot be negative. So now we have all the ingredients to construct an algebraic expression. So let's begin. Let's pick a variable first, say x. हम ये अब जानते हैं कि जब मैं एक नंबर या वेरिएबल को 1 से मल्टीप्लाई करूंगा, मुझे वो नंबर या वेरिएबल वापस मिलेगा. So x is equal to 1 into x or simply 1x. Here the term 1 is called the coefficient of the variable. Coefficient is simply a constant term. मान लीजिए हमारा coefficient है 2. So we have 2x. चलिए अब एक constant term भी पिक कर लेते हैं. Let's say our constant term is 4. We have 2x and 4. Something's not right. We do have two terms, 2x and 4, but there is no connection between them. Well, this is where mathematical operators help us. A mathematical operator establishes a connection between the terms of an algebraic expression. मान लीजिए हमारा mathematical operator है minus. We have 2x minus 4. Now this is an algebraic expression. In fact, ये एक लीनियर algebraic expression है because the highest power of x is 1. इससे एक सवाल ध्यान में आता है, क्या मेरा वेरिएबल का पावर 1 से ज्यादा हो सकता है? The answer is yes. This is possible because of exponents. मान लीजिए मेरे पास एक और वेरिएबल है y and its exponent is 3. We add this term to our algebraic expression. We have y cube plus 2x minus 4. This is also an algebraic expression, but ये linear नहीं है. This is a cubic expression because the highest power of x is 3. Finally, consider the term 2x. Here, 2 and x are called the factors of the term 2x. 2 is a constant factor and x is a variable or a literal factor. To summarize, y cube plus 2x minus 4 is an algebraic expression. Here, x and y are variables. 1 and 2 are coefficients. 3 is an exponent. Plus and minus are mathematical operators. Finally, 4 is a constant term. Sometimes we call the term with the highest power as the leading term and its coefficient as the leading coefficient. What's the most obvious difference between these modes of transport? Yes, the number of wheels. This is a monocycle because it has only one wheel. This is a bicycle. Auto rickshaw has 3 wheels, whereas a car has 4. Similarly, algebraic expressions can be named based on the number of terms they have. If the number of terms in an algebraic expression is 1, it's called a monomial. For example, 2x. If the number of terms in an expression is 2, it's called a binomial. For example, 2x plus 1. Similarly, we have a trinomial 3x square plus 2x plus 1. In fact, any algebraic expression which has more than one term is called a polynomial. Here, the word poly means many. Let's do a small exercise. Consider this expression 3xy plus 4yz plus 5. How many number of terms are there in this expression? 3, right? Here, all the 3 terms are made of different set of variables. One has xy in it, the other has yz in it, and the third one is a constant term. Such terms are called unlike terms. But how about this? 3xy plus 4yx plus 5. Are there still 3 terms in this expression? Well, no. Why? Because 3xy and 4yx are basically made up of same set of variables with the same degree. So, they can actually be added. We therefore have 3xy plus 4yx plus 5, which is equal to 7xy plus 5. So, this expression actually has 2 terms. This is because 3xy and 4yx are like terms. That's all from this video. Your in-class lecturer will teach you how to perform some basic mathematical operations such as addition, subtraction and multiplication on monomials and polynomials. लेकिन जाने से पहले देख लेते हैं आज का कमाल का सवाल. Can polynomial have infinite number of terms? If yes, how? And if no, why? Google कीजिए. In the next class, we'll look at the basic identities of algebraic expressions and do a small activity to practically understand them. Till then, keep learning.